As an essential part of our daily lives, access to clean water is not only a fundamental right, but also a cornerstone of public health and the foundation of productive societies. According to the National Water Resource Board of the Philippines, around 11 million families still have no access to clean water. As a result, these families turn to alternative water sources such as springs, rivers, lakes, and rainwater, which put individuals and their communities at risk of various safety hazards and waterborne diseases from unsafe drinking water sources. In most rural upland communities where water is scarce, gender norms and gender roles dictate that the responsibility of collecting water for the household falls heavily on the shoulders of women and girls. The lack of a reliable water source forces them to embark on long, laborious journeys, carrying heavy containers that often weigh more than their body weight. Such was the case of the residents of Sitio Anangge and Barangay Cabagnaan in Negros Occidental a few years ago.
Nag-obraban sa layo ko ng awon uma. Di ko na ko bilin sa balay, ako kakabo kung may tubi. Ang isa na namon ka container, mga duwa lang nakadlaw. Ano lang namon, ginatigang lang na, way na ginalaba.
Delikado talaga po kasi madulas po yung daan. Umaabot pa po na kalahating oras hanggang isang oras po para makakuha lang po kami ng tubig. Wala po kami mga CR kasi wala naman kaming tubig na magagamit.
These intersections of gender, geographic location, and social and economic status influence community health and accessibility to healthcare services. To further delve into this, the Social Innovation and Health Initiative conducted research on an innovative solution that has been helping pump clean water to remote villages. Through an intersectional gender lens, CHI explores how this social innovation has influenced the lives of community members who now enjoy the security and well-being that clean water provides. The Alternative Indigenous Development Foundation, Inc., or AIDFI, is a non-government organization dedicated to supporting rural communities by means of technological advancement, social entrepreneurship, and community development. AIDFI developed and introduced the holistic water systems for pumping water uphill, which features a hydraulic ram pump made from locally available and recyclable materials to provide clean water to communities.
Typical village is like at least 50 to 80 meters here. Water has to be brought up 80 meters. So we install a ram pump down. Then pipes are going up to the highest point, and then we put up a reservoir. And then from the reservoir we have a manifold, and then the water goes to clusters of households.
AIDFI's Ram Pump project is an example of how a technological initiative can be transformed into a holistic program that considers the social, economic, and cultural aspects of water scarcity.
Kalipay na nabatyagan mo Kaya ang tubi, ari na sa amon permanente, wala na ko nga pangabulay magkabo.
Noon, marami oras kami ginugugol dahil sa pagkuha lang ng tubig. Ngayon, masaya na kasi 5 to 10 minutes lang kakuha na ng tubig kasi nasa bakuran na lang po. Bilang isang treasurer po, may time na po kami sa pag-meeting, sa pag-communicate sa mga community po.
Aside from providing access to safe and potable water, AIDFI's Ram Pump initiative is designed to foster community empowerment by involving residents in the preparation, implementation, and maintenance of the program.
We do social preparation. This is where we then organize, we train officers, we also train the technicians, and we help them also connect to other agencies so that later on they can also apply for other things that they see is very important in the communities.
With water being a fundamental household resource traditionally associated with a woman's responsibility, female officers are motivated to volunteer in local water associations.
Kami yung nag-decision making. Kahit sa amin po dito sa production po, bali babae talaga yung nag-a-attend ng meeting.
Bilang chairwoman dito sa aming barangay, nagpatawag ako ng meeting sa mga member namin, officer, at na mga technician na dapat i-actionan agad yung mga problema, yung tubig, ang basic need namin sa araw-araw, dapat hindi ma-aberya.
Fulfillment din po kasi sa akin yung ginagawa ko sa community kasi makikita ko dun sa mga tao na masaya sila. After installation, dun muna na-feel na masaya ka kasi part ka doon sa pagdala na kasayahan na nila na ganun sa kanila.
As the community witnessed clean water flowing freely in their homes, it also witnessed the transformative journey of its women now that they are able to invest more time for themselves. The installation of AIDFI's ram pump system did more than resolve a water crisis. It spoke to the essence of gender equality and sustainable development and how an empowered people can pave the way for a brighter, more equitable future for all.